Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on PC. First, download and install the software from Blackmagic Design's official website. Ensure your PC meets the system requirements, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for smooth high-definition editing. Upon launching, create a new project and set your preferred project settings, like frame rate and resolution. Take a moment to explore the intuitive user interface, understanding the purpose of each dedicated page, from media to deliver, which streamlines your post-production workflow. Now, let's dive into editing. Begin by importing your media files into the media pool, either by dragging them in or using the import function. The cut page is perfect for quickly assembling your footage and making initial trims, allowing for rapid sequencing. For more detailed work, switch to the edit page. Here, you can precisely arrange clips, add professional transitions, and apply various video effects. Mastering essential keyboard shortcuts will significantly speed up your editing process, saving you valuable time. Next, elevate your visuals and audio. Head to the color page, where you can perform professional color correction and grading. Use the powerful node-based system and scopes to precisely adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation, crafting stunning cinematic looks. Then, move to the Fairlight page for robust audio post-production. Here, you can meticulously edit, mix, and master your sound. Apply various audio effects, equalize frequencies, and reduce unwanted noise, ensuring your project sounds as good as it looks. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Navigate to the Deliver page to export your project. You can choose from numerous formats and resolutions, such as high-definition 1092 by 1080 pixels, and customize settings like codec and bitrate for optimal quality. For those seeking more, delve into Fusion for advanced visual effects and motion graphics. Remember, always back up your project files regularly to safeguard your hard work. This comprehensive guide will help you master DaVinci Resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.